this video, I will be demonstrating how to use PreLogging, an AI-powered application within your internet browser, covering everything from uploading images to retrieving prediction results. To begin, upload your corebox images by dragging one or multiple files into the canvas. Alternatively, you may browse through your computer to upload the images. After uploading, click Next. The AI will begin scanning and analyzing the images. Depending on your hardware and the current server load, this may take up to a minute. In Step 2, confirm that the AI has correctly delineated the 14 inches codec color patch. You may manually edit this by using the Select tool. Then, click Next. In Step 3, confirm that the AI has correctly identified the number and position of the corebox rows. You may manually edit this by using the Select tool. You may delete unwanted rows by clicking on the trash icon. You may also add additional rows by using the Add tool. Then, click Next. In Step 4, confirm that the AI has correctly delineated all the labels. Different types of labels are outlined in different colors. Pay special attention to the depth. You may manually edit the type of labels by choosing the appropriate labeling. You may delete unwanted labels by clicking on the trash icon. You may also manually add additional labels by using the Add or Draw tool. Then, click Next. In Step 5, confirm that the AI has correctly delineated all the core blocks. Different types of core blocks are outlined in different colors. You may manually edit the type of core blocks by choosing the appropriate options. You may delete unwanted core blocks by clicking on the trash icon. You may also manually add additional core blocks by using the Add tool. Then, click Next. The corebox logging results are shown here. Results such as the total core recovery, fracture index, rock type, and weathering grade will be presented to you. Please note that if you wish to see the TCR results for grade 1 to 3 as stipulated by the Code of Practice for Foundations 2017, you should enable this option by navigating to the Advanced Settings back in Step 1. Returning to the results page, you have the option to download the results in Microsoft Excel format. Or you may choose to upload additional image for scanning and analyzing. Lastly, should you in the unfortunate case encounter any errors or bugs, please write a ticket in the Report Problem side panel.